Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to walk you through how we created sympathy cards for pet owners.
Twisting and turning like woven. I think it's twist and tangle of fate that brought my heart to you. Know that I love someone even more than I thought I could. I think it's twist and tangle of fate that brought my heart to you.
I have been so busy getting these done that I didn't realize that the battery went out and I just kept working. I stamped the front of the card with "If tears could build a stairway and memories a lane, I'd walk right up to heaven and bring you home again." But anyway, the inside with "Sympathy for your faithful and loyal friend," and I put some paw prints in there, and I'm really debating if I should put a paw on the front. Maybe I should try it and see what it looks like. Took a poll from my family and they all agree that it should have 2 paws. So I did re-stamp a few of them just because I thought that they weren't that great. And I also re-stamped a few because I didn't cut them out very nice. So a lot of things happened. My battery died again.
Well, maybe it's time for new batteries?
Maybe. I assembled all of the paws. I placed some Wink of Stella on the leaves and the paws. Hopefully you can see a little bit of glitzy in there. If tears could build a stairway and memories a lane, I'd walk right up to heaven and bring you home again. With sympathy for your faithful and loyal friend. I don't know what drove me to create these cards, but I'm really glad I did. I think there is a need for them in our society. Hopefully it inspired you to create your own. If you want to help this channel, please like this video and share with a friend. Until next time, love you guts. Bye! If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things.
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer.